Hello, good people. This is Sherry with Sharika Originals. Today we're going to make a pair of fabric wrapped hoops. I have purchased a pair of hoops and I have this beautiful red foiled fabric. I got the fabric from Joann's Fabrics and they have this particular fabric in lots of different colors. I cut about 1 inch of fabric, and this is probably about 24 inches of fabric, maybe even 36 inches of fabric. I have some glue, just regular old glue stick. You could use hot glue if you wanted to. I start off by cutting a triangle with my fabric, and then I put some glue on it, and I'm just going to start wrapping. I am going to fold one edge under. The edge that you'll see is the edge that I'm going to fold under on the fabric. I start by laying my triangle edge at the beginning, and it's glued. So I wrap it and I pull it very tight. It's going to be a very tight wrap. You see here that I start to fold it under. I fold the edge under as I wrap, and I'm pulling every time I go around. I pull it very tight. Now, when I get about a half inch from the end, 1 inch to a half inch, I start to put on more glue because I want to be able to have it tight and to have it to be very secure. I will also fold both edges because I want my finished edge to be nice. And I'm going to put enough glue at the very end to just have it very, very secure. And now I'm going to cut it and do the last fold. I twist it to get it as tight as I can. And the first one is done, so we'll do the second one. I'm gonna speed through the second one. On this channel, we have over 800 videos where we make jewelry and we talk about leveling up your business. On Tuesdays at 6 p.m. Eastern, we have what we call a subscriber chat, a live subscriber chat where we come on stage and we show what we make and people ask questions and we give each other help for our jewelry making and our jewelry business. So we invite you to come and join us. Also, if you are not a subscriber, I would love it if you would subscribe to the channel. I have a goal of getting to 10,000 subscribers. So it would be great if you felt like helping me with that. I so appreciate all the people who take their time to watch the videos and to comment and to give a thumbs up. And if you subscribe, hit the bell to be notified when we upload new content. That way you won't miss anything. Also, many of the items that I use in my videos I get from Amazon. So there's normally a list of jewelry making items that are on Amazon, and there are links to those items. So check in the description. There's lots of information there. And when you make a purchase using any of my Amazon links, I get a little compensation from Amazon, but it does not cost you any more. So it's a win-win. All right, this is what we have, these beautiful red hoop earrings. If you're starting out making jewelry, this is an easy way to start out. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.